Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will learn how a US citizen can move to the UK. So we have number of options. So we will discuss all the options one by one. The first option is skilled worker visa, a pathway to employment and settlement in the UK for US citizens. Number two is the health and care worker visa for US citizens in the medical field. Number three, global talent visa for US citizens recognized as leader in academia, tech, or the arts. Number four is the scale up visa, a flexible work route for US citizens joining the fast growing UK companies. Number five is innovator founder visa for US citizen entrepreneurs with innovative UK business ideas. Number six is UK expansion worker visa for US executives establishing a UK branch. Number seven is high potential individual visa, a flexible UK pathway for recent US graduates. Number eight, student visa, study opportunities in the UK for US citizens. Number nine is partner and family visa, joining a loved ones in the UK as a US citizen. Number 10 is parent and child visa, joining family members in the UK as a US citizen. Number 11 is UK ancestry visa, a route for US citizen with British grandparents. So let's discuss them one by one. So the first one is skilled worker visa, pathway to employment and settlement in the UK for US citizens. The skilled worker visa is one of the most common options for US citizens relocating to the UK for employment. To qualify, applicant must have confirmed job offer for a UK based employer that holds a valid sponsor license. The role must be listed in an eligible occupation and meet the eligible salary threshold. In addition, applicant must receive a COS from the sponsoring employer which outlines in the job offer. Watch this video. I have showed how to apply skilled worker visa. I have also explained about the job offer, eligible occupation code, and the sponsored license requirements. The good thing is, after 5 years, you can apply for ILR, which is also known as indefinite leave to remain, which leads to UK passport. Next option is health and care worker visa for US citizen in the medical field. If you work in the healthcare or adult social care sector, such as a doctor, nurse, or care worker, you may qualify for health and care worker visa. Watch this video. I have showed how to apply health and care worker visa. This is the complete guidance which explains from A to Z. I have also showed how I filled the application form. Next one is global talent visa for US citizens recognized as leaders in academia, tech, or the arts. The global talent visa is designed for individuals recognized as leaders or emerging leader in the field of such as academia, research, technology, or arts. US citizens may apply for this route with an endorsement from an approved UK body such as Art Council England or Tech Nations. Watch this video. I have showed how to apply global talent visa. I have explained the guidance. I have also explained how to apply for the endorsement. Next one is scale up visa. The scale up visa route is designed for highly skilled professionals who have a job offer from a UK based scale up company defined as a fast growing business that meets specific financial criteria. This visa offers great flexibility than the skilled worker visa. Number fifth is innovator founder visa. The innovator founder visa is suited to experienced entrepreneurs who have an original, scalable, and viable business idea endorsed by the UK body. Watch this video. I have showed how to apply innovator founder visa. Next is UK expansion worker visa. This is the route actually intended for senior employees or specialists from overseas businesses who are being transferred to the UK to establish a new branch. So if you wanted to expand your business, you can use this route. The overseas employer must have an incorporate, they already have a running business in their home country, but they should not close that business. I have discussed in this video how to apply UK expansion worker visa. I have created a complete playlist in which I have explained all the details about the UK expansion worker sponsor license. Number 7 is High Potential Individual Visa, a flexible UK pathway for recent US graduates. So we call this the HPI visa. Provides an unsponsored route for graduates of top global universities who have obtained a qualification within the past 5 years. This visa is particularly suitable for recent US graduates as it enables them to live and work in the UK without the requirement of a job offer. Next option is student visa. US citizens who are aged 16 or over and have received an offer to study at a licensed educational institute in the UK may eligible to apply for a student visa. Key requirement is the possession of a confirmation of acceptance. We call that CAST letter. Applicants must also be able to demonstrate that they have sufficient funds to cover both their tuition fees and their living expenses during their time in the UK. Where applicants are aged 18 or 17, they must also provide written consent from both parents or legal guardians. Watch this video. I have showed how to apply student visa. I have also filled the application form in this video to guide you from A to Z that how you can do it everything yourself. Next option is partner and family visa. US citizens in genuine relationships with British partners, British citizens, or individuals who are settled in the UK may apply to join their partners under the family visa route, such as spouse visa, civil partnership visa, unmarried partner, fiance visa, proposed civil partners. This category also extend to those partners who have pre-settled status, provided that the relationship began prior to 1st January 2021 and the sponsoring partner was resident in the UK at that time. Watch this video. I have showed how to apply spouse visa. I have also explained in this video that how you can fill the form yourself. The last option is parent or child visa. So joining family members in the UK as US citizen. US citizens who have British children or parents settled in the UK may qualify to enter or remain in the UK under the parent or child visa route, such as parent of a child, child of a partner, or parent and other child visas. The key condition is that applicant must demonstrate either sole or shared parental responsibility and that their continued presence in the UK is in the best interest of the child. On my channel, I have created loads of videos in which I have showed how you can apply visa yourself. The only genuine website is gov.uk. Gov.uk tells you everything that how you can apply visa, how you can fill the application form, about the decision, etc. If you have any question, you can send me an email at dr_khan, and if you wanted to contact me, you can use the link in the description and I'll give you a call back.